Good day everyone, my name is Aaron Gonzalez and this sample program uses a custom Python function to perform a basic arithmetic task. Adding two numbers, it clearly separates the logic, the calculation from the execution, defining the numbers and printing the result, demonstrating the concept of modular programming. Let's go. So, the primary topic is use the functions. Core topic functions defined using def and includes the return statement. Secondary topics variables using a, b, total, result, and data types integers. So first, def calculates sum num1 and num2. This the line defines a new function named calculate sum. It specifies the function requires two species of information which are named parameters num1 and num2, and the total num1 plus num2. This is the task the function performs. It calculates the sum of two pass parameters and assign the value to a local variable named total. So pagpaplasin lang natin siya, si num1 tsaka si num2. So return total. This sends the calculate value total back to the main part of the program. So yun na yung makikita na din natin yung total dun. Para yung itong return total mababasa niya, yun yung magiging equal niya. So A tsaka B variables input. This line define the specific values that will be used for the calculation. Ito na yung gagamitin natin para makapag-plus tayo. Si A tsaka si B. And result, calculate sum A tsaka B. Function call, tawag dyan. This is the crucial step. It executes the function, the values of A. Kunwari itong A, 15. And itong si B naman, gawin natin 20. And the value return as a 35. So pagpaplasin lang natin siya, 15 plus 20. So the lastly, print the output. The final section displays the input values and the compute result. So ang makukompute niyang result doon is magiging 35 na siya. 35. Siyempre, pinag-plus natin yung 15 plus tsaka 20. Yung A, si 15. Si B is 20. So, pag print natin siya, dapat maging 35 na siya. So,